Delighted to be in London today and take part in the launch of a new destination brand for our Northern Ireland. We in TourismNI, together with colleagues and experts from right across our local industry, have devoted a lot of time and a lot of energy to developing this new marketing concept. So it's a great pleasure for us to welcome you to the Tourism Ireland stand as we now unveil our Northern Ireland Embrace a Giant Spirit brand. Northern Ireland tourism has undergone a period of unprecedented investment in recent times, both from our public and from our private sectors. Our industry has developed new attractions and has created a host of authentic experiences on the ground, and in support of this, has invested a huge amount in developing our hotel and accommodation sector. This work has been yielding very, very significant results, with record growth being sustained over the past decade. Right now we know that we are a destination that is more than capable and more than ready to successfully compete on a global stage. The giant spirit reflected in our brand is evident everywhere you go in Northern Ireland, in our warm, engaging and big-hearted people, in experiences related to our giants of literature, such as Seamus Heaney, our giants of mythology, Finn McCool, our giants of sport, with golfers led by Rory McIlroy, with football legend George Best, and our giants of commerce and of industry, such as Titanic, a global colossus of shipbuilding. It's also our musical giants like Van Morrison, not to mention giants of invention, of Oscar-winning talent, and iconic landmarks, including, of course, our Giant's Causeway. We also have a gigantic screen tourism product linked to Game of Thrones, the most successful TV show in history. And in Royal Portrush and Royal County Down, two Goliaths of links golf worldwide. Our new brand concept is real, is tangible, is fully reflective of and encapsulates our beautiful landscapes, our unique history and heritage, and most importantly, the true and inspiring spirit of the people of Northern Ireland. Now, over and above our wealth of individual attractions, with this new and vibrant brand, we have a fantastic new way of articulating and communicating the core experience of Northern Ireland to the international visitor. Going forward, I have no doubt that this brand is going to transform how the travel industry and consumers perceive our destination. Can I thank our colleagues in Tourism Ireland, Joe, and our own team in Tourism Northern Ireland, led by John McGrillen, for all the work that's gone into creating and today launching what I believe to be an exciting new phase of development for TourismNI. Now, since I believe that we may have some gin and some whiskey on the stand, you do truly have the opportunity to embrace a giant spirit. So, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy your evening, enjoy a drink, but most of all, enjoy the giant spirit.